So we're on a bike ride heading towards via Appia Antica, then over to the Rome catacombs. No, we're going by the catacombs, then Appia Antica, then the Aqueduct Park. This is a great thing to do in Rome. You know, if you're tired of, not so much tired, but you need to change your pace of the typical Roman stuff where you go see the Colosseum and the Vatican and the Pantheon and jump in the crowds. This is so easy to get away. And they at the e-bike place where you get the bikes, they give you a GPS to guide you. They'll take you right through all these sites, and on e-bikes it makes it very, very nice and convenient. And you barely, I don't even know if you break a sweat, honestly. Bike does all the work for you. You just enjoy the ride, and it is beautiful. The term "all roads lead to Rome" originated right here on Via Appia Antica. Back here at Via Appia Antica, I'm on a very bumpy section of this road. All cobblestones from, you know, these things are a couple thousand years old. I need to move to the side where it's smoother. There we go. A little better. Aqueduct Park is located just a few miles from Rome's city center, where you get to ride along Rome's ancient aqueducts. Most of Rome's aqueducts have been completely destroyed. Aqueducts were first built in 311 BC and were used for close to 500 years. Hard to imagine, but Rome had more water per capita back then with the use of aqueducts than it does today. Here's my recommendation. Don't be a sheep and just go to the Vatican and the Colosseum. Head out to Via Appia Antica and to Aqueduct Park and see the real sheep. Look at those guys. Aren't they pretty? Oh, that's awesome. Your trip to Rome will not be complete without a trip out to Via Appia Antica and to Aqueduct Park. This just might be one of the best bike rides you'll ever take. If you have questions about it, please feel free to leave me questions in the comments.